Healing Sounds Meditation. Introduction. Welcome to our 6 Healing Sounds meditation session. Today, we will engage in an ancient practice that combines deep breathing with specific sounds to balance and cleanse our internal organs and emotional states. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, relax your body, and take a few deep breaths. Lung sound, white color, emotion, grief. Let's start with the lung sound. The lungs are associated with the emotion of grief and the color white. Inhale deeply and, as you exhale, make the sound hiss as if you are gently releasing steam. Visualize any feelings of sadness or grief leaving your body with the sound. Repeat this 3 times. Kidney sound, blue color, emotion, fear. Next, focus on the kidneys, linked to fear and the color blue. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, produce the sound U as if you're blowing out a candle. Envision fear and anxiety being expelled from your body with the sound. Repeat this 3 times. Liver sound, green color, emotion, anger. Now, let's move to the liver, connected to anger and the color green. Inhale deeply, and on your exhale, make the sound shoo, like the sound of a leaf rustling in the wind. Imagine any anger or frustration being released. Repeat this 3 times. Heart sound, red color, emotion, impatience/hatred. Focus on your heart, which relates to impatience and hatred, and is represented by the color red. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, create the sound ha, as if you are fogging up a mirror. Release any feelings of hatred or impatience. Repeat this 3 times. Spleen and stomach sound, yellow color, emotion, worry. Turn your attention to the spleen and stomach, associated with worry and the color yellow. Inhale deeply, and on your exhale, produce the sound hoo, as if you are blowing out a flame. Let go of any worries or overthinking. Repeat this 3 times. Triple warmer sound, harmonizing. Lastly, we have the triple warmer, which harmonizes all the organs. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, make a gentle, soothing sound, he, imagining a wave of relaxation spreading through your body. Repeat this 3 times. Conclusion. Bring your awareness back to the room. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for participating in the 6 Healing Sounds meditation. May you carry this sense of peace and balance throughout your day.
Tomorrow is another day,